What's up, everybody? It's Rusty from American Garage TV, and today we're going to be covering how to remove the strut tower and the upper A-arm on a 64 Fairlane. Here we go. This right here is what we're going to be removing. This is a strut tower. It comes with your spring and your shock in the center, the upper strut tower mount, and then that is actually the upper A-arm. I'm going to take you to this side of the car real quick. I'm going to show you what it looks like while it's still on the car. Ugh, lighting's a little bit bad. Bear with me. No! Alright, so you have your upper A-arm, your strut with the shock in the center, and then that strut cap is right there. So what we're having to do is from the inside of the car, we will be releasing the two bolts, one down here and one on the back side, and then we'll be releasing the cap right here and right here. And with the car being lifted up in the air, we have released maximum tension that we can on the spring, because when you start removing struts from cars, it can get real dangerous. There's a lot of tension on the spring, there's a lot of tension on the shock. If you don't disassemble this properly, you could end up hurting yourself, and that's what we're going to avoid doing today. So we will be wearing maximum PPE, and we're going to be taking our time. We're going to be watching it. We're going to make sure it doesn't shoot off and hurt anybody or damage any of the car or the equipment. Stay tuned. Here we go. All right, guys, so we sped that up for you so you didn't have to sit there and watch us turn each nut and bolt. Just to go over it again real quick, what we did from inside the engine bay, we accessed the two nuts, right, that were going through, or two bolts that were going through the upper A-arm on the back. And then we released tension on the cap, released tension on the shock, right? And then all we had to do is put a couple little pry bars underneath here, give it a little wiggle, and it just falls out. Now, it doesn't go shooting out across the damn garage because, again, there's not that much tension on it. And this is how it looks right here. Upper control arm, spring, shock, strut assembly, okay? Thanks for tuning in to American Garage TV. You have a wonderful day.